So shout out to Cheryl Hall, who is the president of Wise Engineering. She is an individual who has taken engineering to a whole new level. She was able to secure contracts with the Defense Department. She's been creating stuff with 3D printing, 3D modeling, up in simulations, because every piece of equipment that the government or the Defense Department creates, they actually have to do a simulation that goes along with it to be able to do the training. And she was one of the individuals that are actually creating these things, for the Defense Department. And she was able to do this, for 25 plus years. Look it up, Wise Engineering, who actually happens to be a good friend of ours in all of the stuff that we've been doing within the STEM and tech fields, but wanted to definitely be able to give her flowers for doing some great work. Then actually, pushing forward as an entrepreneur, as a single mom, and being able to make things happen and have multiple year contracts, with the Defense Department, and being able to secure that, because that in itself is something. And they be able to survive and thrive, through the pandemic, where a lot of companies actually folded, So being able to understand that, there's a lot of work, and she's been doing work in virtual reality, 3D printing, AR technology, using and leveraging all of those to kind of create these simulation and training programs for the Defense Department.
So what would you say if someone was looking for their daughter to get into STEM?